thought I'd make a video because not many people see the inside of an fl250 tank. Factory tank, that is. So I have to do some welding. I keep penetrating. I mean, melting through the metal. So I just cut what looked be all bad out, and hopefully this stays. And then down here, that is only leaks. But the vinegar done a good job. It's breaking off all that rust. I'm gonna put it in the bucket and tube right there. Another one on the bottom here, and yeah, I might just take those two pipes out. I don't know, but yeah, I think that was pretty cool. I don't know if I'll be able to save this tank. I'll try to save this tank. I might have to build one or go get an aftermarket one, or I might find a factory tank in better condition. But yeah, pretty rusty. So please like, subscribe, comment, share this video, and leave a like.